Hello everyone, I'm going to a flamingo station. Whoa, oh my god, there's a lot of bugs. There's lice everywhere, whatever they're called. Get away from me, bugs. We're in the birds enclosure now, and as you can see, they have this enclosure right over here to stop the birds from escaping just simply by flying. First up, let's start off with right over here. And there's just a bunch of brown ducks, and ducks can swim. Oh, wait, what? Hey, they only use it if they find a male or female. They're drinking from the water too, so peaceful. Those are parrots, and they have like a little bit of an orange color. And just so you know, parrots aren't usually orange, so that's really cool. Oh look, they also have a bowl of water. I've also found a woodpecker, and I've never seen any of them in this enclosure, so that's really cool. And it's pecking the dirt. Maybe let's say dirt pecker. Okay, everyone. As you can see, there are some peacocks over there. Some of them are males and some of them are females. But like, you see the colorful ones over there? I think those are males. The colorful ones are males, and the brown ones are females. And they use their colorfulness to find other mates. And as you can see, and the more colorful they are, the more chance they have of getting mated. That's why they're so colorful. And as you can see over here, you have these ones. Oh look, one of them opened! One of them opened on the back. I wish you could see it on the front. They opened it. Oh look, they're also scratching over there. See, like they're scratching their back. Look at that parrot, it can stand on one leg. And it's very colorful and giant. Very big, giant, aggressive raven. Oh my god, look at its eyes. It's a little bit scary. That's the end of this part. We're exiting now. Thank you guys for watching this part of the video. Now let's exit, and as you can see, there's gates so that the birds just can't like fly through the doors and eat it.